Okay, students, we are in the second video lecture of our uh, subject engineering ethics and professional ethics in engineering. So already we have discussed what is human values and moral values of ethics, work ethics, service learning, all the things we have discussed in the first video lecture. Second video lecture is covering the uh, remaining portion of the uh, first unit. All the professional ethics are doing based upon the this thing human life. So upon completion of this course, students should be able to apply ethics to society, discuss the ethical issues related to the engineering, realize responsibilities and right in the society. The main objective of this syllabus is to enable the students to create an awareness on engineering, ethic and human values to instill moral and social welfare, royalty and appreciate the rightfulness. The course outcome should be in such a way that after completion of this course, the student should be able to apply ethics in society, discuss the ethical issues related to the engineering and realize their responsibilities. Unit by consideration. In first unit we are holding human values, second unit engineering ethics, third engineering as a social experimentation, fourth one is the safety, responsibilities and right, fifth one is the global issues of professional ethics. Studying the title subject professional ethics and engineering is very much important one for our all activities like business organization or any activity that we are doing in our life. Caring steps to get started. Be more generous. Being generous, whether it is your time or your money, can go a long way in the caring person. So treat others like you what you want treated. If you want to be more caring, then you have to be kind throughout the towards others. Sharing is the joint use of resources of space. In its narrow sense, it refers to join or attaining use of integrity, finite goods such as common purser to a shared residence. So it is also process of dividing and distributing. Apart from obvious, honesty is one of the important word using in our professional ethics. Honesty refers to the factual, moral character and content positive and victorious attributes such as integrity, truthfulness, straightforwards, etc. Courage is also called as the bravery is the choice and willingness to confront agency, pain, danger, etc. Physical courage is the courage in the face of physical pain, hardship, death, threat of death, etc. Value timing. A first step is good time management is to understand the value of your time. If you are employed by someone else, you need to understand know how much your employee is paying for your time and how much profit she expects from you to make you. By knowing the value of time, you should be able to understand the importance. Cooperation is the process of group of organizing, working or acting together for common or mutual benefit. Commitment is the willingness to give your time and energy to someone something that you believe in or promise or from firm decision to do something. Empathy. Empathy is the ability of mutually experiencing thought, emotions, and direct experience of others. The ability to understand another person's circumstances, point of view, thought of feeling empathy. When you experience empathy, you are able to understand the someone else to internal experiences. Self-confidence. Self-confidence relate to the self-assurance in one's personal judgment, mm, ability to understand the power sometime mind. So with this you can refer the reference book given for your searching. If you have any doubt in these questions what we have discussed, you can raise your questions.